Hey everyone, is the Ask AI button constantly interrupting your workflow, or are you just looking for a more distraction-free writing environment in Notion? While AI is a huge part of the 2026 update, it's not mandatory. Today, I'm taking you through the exact path in your settings to turn off every single AI feature, so you can get back to your manual productivity. Let's head to the sidebar. First, go to the top of your left-hand sidebar and click on Settings and Members. This is the heart of your Notion configuration. A key thing to remember here, if you're part of a company or a shared team workspace, you must have Workspace admin permissions to see these global toggles. If the button is grayed out or you don't see Workspace options, you'll need to ask your admin to follow these steps for you. Once the settings window opens, ignore the My Account section and scroll down to the Workspace section in the left-hand menu. Look for the tab labeled Notion AI. In 2026, Notion grouped all artificial intelligence features into this one specific area to make it easier to manage. Clicking this tab will bring up a list of all the ways AI currently interacts with your pages, from writing assistance to database autofill. The most visible feature is the Writing and Editing toggle. This is what triggers that Ask AI prompt every time you highlight text or hit the spacebar on a new line. Simply click the toggle to switch it to off. You'll see a brief saving animation, and once it's done, those persistent prompts will disappear from your editor entirely. This is the biggest step towards reclaiming a clean, traditional writing space. Don't stop there. Scroll down a bit further to find the toggles for AI and databases and AI Q&A. These control the features that automatically summarize your project notes or answer questions based on your page content. If you want a 100% manual experience, flip both of these switches to off. By disabling these, you ensure that Notion remains a vault for your data, without any automated processing running in the background. Finally, click the X to close your settings and go back to one of your active pages. Try highlighting a paragraph or pressing the slash key. You should notice that the AI options have vanished, leaving only your standard formatting and block tools. Your workspace is now officially AI-free, giving you a streamlined, faster loading experience tailored exactly to how you work. I hope this helped you out, and I'll see you in the next one.